Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. Don't forget to check us out on the web, wellbuiltequipment.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comment in the comment section down below. Today we're getting down and dirty on battery chargers on electric slab scissors. I'm going to talk to you guys about where they're located, what they do, and how to properly maintain them. So right here we have one of our Genie GS 1930s from our rental fleet. You see I have the battery door pulled open. Just going to show you guys where the charger is located. Right next to the battery. For the most part, on pretty much every machine, that's where it's located. Skyjack puts them behind the steps, which I'll show you in a minute. JLG sometimes has them mounted behind the steps. Usually they're next to the batteries though. So we have a Skyjack right here. You can see the battery charger safely tucked away behind the step there to get into your machine. And then we have one of our JCB 1930s here. This big silver bad boy is the battery charger on there. Whenever you charge the batteries, you always want to make sure that you have clear air. It's not in a confined space, and you want to try and open the doors whenever possible. Another important thing to take note of is that battery chargers do have a pretty high amperage draw, so you're going to see reduced capacities and capabilities of your battery chargers when you plug 3 or 4 machines into the same outlet. We get a lot of service calls about this. People call up, say their machine's not lasting through the day, go to the job site and find out that there are 10 extension cords stretched 100 foot away and 4 lifts are plugged into one of them. You always want to use as short of an extension cord as possible. We tell our customers 25 foot or less ideally, no more than 2 machines per outlet because they do have a high amperage draw on them. And then we'll give you guys kind of a picture of what our aftermarket chargers we sell are. These are our quick charge chargers. They're really awesome chargers made here in the United States. Come with a couple-year warranty, fully enclosed, sealed chargers. Really bulletproof. A lot different than what comes on most scissor lifts that are out there nowadays when they're sold new. So those are available through our website. Call the service or parts department if you need one. They just replace the one that is found standard on any machine that you guys have. A little bit higher amperage is available. We can get up to a 25 amp. Sometimes it's a 20 depending on what your needs are, but they're really great chargers if you guys do need one. Alright, so now you guys are up to speed on battery chargers in electric scissor lifts.